my channel. Today's video, it was supposed to go up on Valentine's Day, but obviously this is not going to happen, so it's going to be a little bit different. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update, especially if you don't follow me on Instagram. My grandma had a really, well, let's just say she took a shot and she had a really bad stroke. Then she actually needed a brain surgery, and that's kind of where we're at now. I would like to go further in and talk about it a little bit more, but I would not be able to finish this video because I'll just end up crying. So if I'm not talking as much in this video, that is why. So I hope it's not boring for you. This is the first night that my sisters and I are not really FaceTiming her. My cousins are going to FaceTime her, so I figured I would just try to sit down and film a video. I really wanted to try this Colourpop collection out. Like I said, I wanted to get this up before Valentine's Day, but clearly that's not going to happen. So I apologize if I'm not talking and I am boring. I'm going to take the Smashbox Full Coverage Foundation first. I'm just going to go ahead and skip primer. And I'm going to mix a little bit of the Stay Naked Hydro Matte. Woo, this is already not going so good. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of the Stay Naked Tinted Glow Hydrator. I'm going to take a little bit of Urban Decay's Tinted Glow Hydrator. Medium coverage, 24-hour foundation. I don't know. It looks like this. I'm just going to take a little bit of this just because this is super thick, but I really love the coverage. I'm just going to take a little bit of the other one to kind of thin it out a little bit. I think I'm actually a little bit, this color is a little bit too dark for me. I'm in, well, it says light medium 41. I don't know. I've only tried it one time, so. Well, since technically this is not a Valentine's look anymore, I'm not sure I was going to go with pinks, but I have the 3 different palettes. I think that's all they came out with. Okay, then taking a little bit of this Cover FX Power Play concealer. I'm just going to add a little bit to my huge forehead. I mainly just want it for my forehead, to be honest, just to give it. They did send this shimmering dry oil, which looks pretty, but I feel like it's more for the body, and you can't even see my body right now, so I'm not even gonna apply it. But I applied it on my hand a little bit, just a little bit on my hand, and it smells amazing. It smells really good. It doesn't leave big chunks of glitter, but there is some glitter in it. I'm gonna take Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, cover up these bad boys. And this is just a Tarte brush. I know I say it in every video, but I use it every single time I do my makeup. So for the concealer, I kind of use the curved side, and then the fatter side I used for my. Just turn it around and kind of blend out the concealer too. I feel very unprepared for this video, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I didn't get anything out. I just have the box that they sent right here. This is not sponsored. I mean, I just got it in PR, but I just have this box, so I don't know if they sent. Oh my god. Oh, that smells good. This stuff smells really good. It smells like the beach. Oh, that smells good. Can't really. It's just like little flecks of glitter. You can't really see it. I probably wouldn't be able to see. Oh my god, my hand is different. Okay, and then I'm just gonna set the under eyes with the Laura Mercier. The Laura Mercier translucent powder. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get through this video. Take a little sponge. Lay some. This is a Tarte sponge. And that was way too much, but whatever. I'm not going to leave it. I'm just going to press it into my skin until it's gone. And then whatever's left on, lightly pat all over. Okay, so they have kind of like a bright pink one, whoa, a softer pink one, and then so I'll probably just use this one. It's more of like a maroonish type color. I was gonna go for, anyways, I was gonna use like go on the like really pink side for Valentine's Day, but that's over with, so I think I'm just gonna go with this one, which is called Swak. Is that what it is? SWAK, pressed powder. It's the reddish one. I'll be right back. So basically, I just did kind of like a halo, which I haven't really done in a long time. And then I kind of did a wing more for hooded eyes. So I started out with the color Smooch, which is this color right here. Okay, that is not called Smooch. See, this is why I kind of don't say the name colors because I'm looking at it backwards. So the color that I'm going to use is Canoodle. Duh. So I'm going to work that into the outer corner, and then, you know, whatever's left on my brush, I'm kind of just using, like, putting it into my transition. Can't even talk. So I guess it's kind of like my transition color, but it's also a blending color for the inner and outer corner. Oh, it's really nice. It doesn't have a lot of fallout, and the color payoff is pretty good. And that shimmery color, whew, let me tell you, I was not expecting it to be that intense. I kind of just wanted something soft, but when I applied it, I was like, whoa. And Colourpop is super affordable, so that's even better. Since they're so affordable, they're nice little palettes to have, especially like this. Like, I'm somebody that doesn't wear a lot of pink, but since it's so affordable and they are good, I think it's good to, whenever you want to experiment with this color or other colors that you don't really use without spending a huge chunk of money. See, I already messed up. They sent this cute little mirror and I'm over here using this one. Why am I like this? They have this cute little mirror. I'm not sure if it's for sale, but they sent it in the box. I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, so I'm going to take the color MAC, which is the darker, kind of like, I don't even know, reddish maroon color. And I'm just going to take that color and first apply it to the outer corner and inner corner. But first I'm starting on my eyelid, and then I will blend upward, going in until I get the intensity that I want, and then I will blend it out. After I have it placed where I want it, I'm just going to blend the edges just a little. Again, I'm kind of just going upward actually. It's kind of a good thing about like a halo look. It doesn't have to be super clean if you don't want it to. Okay, and next I'm going to take the color Bessels, and this is super pretty, super intense. It's like a shimmery champagne color. You see that? It's almost like it's wet, but it's not. It's so, so pretty. So first I'm just going to pack it on there, and then I'll start blending out the edges. It's a really, really pretty color. And I'm kind of going all the way up with it, like blending just whatever's left on my brush, which is just kind of like a shimmeriness to it. It's not full color. I'm blending it all the way up. All the way. This color is so, so pretty. It's right now. Okay, I don't know what got on my sweater, but it's a bunch of pink or something pink. This is why I can't have nice things. So, eyeliner for hooded eyes. So I'm going to take the Tarte Burgundy. It's a double-ended burgundy eyeliner. I'm not sure if they sell it anymore or by itself. This was from like the holiday or something. But, and this is kind of like a marker one. But, so if you have hooded eyes, you kind of want to avoid the thicker line on your eyelid. So for hooded eyes, it's not that you're not going to see the eyeliner. It's more because it's going to transfer on to your upper half up here. So you kind of want to avoid putting it on right here, but you can still have that illusion of that long eyeliner. So for me, since I am going to put a thicker eyelash on, I am going to go over the whole eye. So you can do what I'm going to do. Even if you're not wearing lashes, you can put a really thin, basically just draw one tiny thing line on your waterline like that. So it really does define your eye if you're not wearing eyelashes, but don't, just basically very thin, like a tiny little thin line like that. I am actually going to put some right here in the inner, in my inner waterline. I do that because since I'm wearing lashes, I don't want it to look like the lash just starts and then nothing. So I like to have it a little line right here so it kind of blends seamlessly. Okay, so at the end, you're going to, this is not working so great. At the end, you're going to do it like you normally would. You're going to put the wing and as far as you really want to go. And then you're going to connect it. My eyeliner's giving me some problems. It's giving me some problems. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to connect that line. But you're not going to go all the way in. I would say when you're looking down, the end of like right where your eye, what the hell is this called? The iris or whatever. Right where your actual like eyeball starts. You know, the little circle. I don't even know what it's called. The inner circle where you get to like the color of your eye. You're gonna, I would say stop right there and go, oh my god, and go upward and connect it to the outer line if my thing would work. I'm sorry, I did not know my eyeliner was going to dry out on me. Okay, well anyways, mine's giving me some trouble, but that's what you would do. You would kind of just do the wing from that little spot upward and then connect it to the lower lash line. So the part of the hooded lid that's coming down, the part of your lid that's hooded that's coming down, it really will not touch that part. So you're still going to look like you have an eyeliner on without it getting on top or just messing up. Okay, then I'm just going to take a little bit of the color MAC and put it on my lower lash line. Actually, yeah. And then I'm going to take a, whoa! Now I'm going to take a little bit of the color Smooch now just to see what it looks like. Because it looks like it's got a little bit of brown in it. So I'm just going to run that under here. Oh my god, why am I such a mess right now? I've already dirtied up the mirror. I'm going to take a little bit of that shimmery shade again. And I'm just going to add it to, whew, this color is so pretty and so pigmented. And then I'm going to take a Makeup Forever, you guys know I love these pencils. This is the color Ebony. It's like a dark brown. So one other thing that they did give for the eyes is this heart cutie mark. It's just a heart. I don't know what I want to do with it. It's just kind of like a pink stamp. It's just like a pink, so it's just a pink stamp. I don't know. I did want to use it, a pink heart stamp. I did want to use it, but I don't know where. I mean, I can put it on like the side. I can put it under my eye. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Okay, that doesn't look right because I have creases under my eyes. Oh well, I'm just gonna put it there. I probably should have put it lower because I have kind of creases under my eyes, so it kind of just looks like a little triangle. It's kind of cute. If you could see that it was a heart on my eyes. I should have went lower on this one. They didn't send a bronzer, but I do like this bronzer from them, which is Coconut Beach Pressed Powder Bronzer. Looks like that. I don't know if they have this anymore, but I will link everything that they do have in the description box below. So I'll take this. It is pretty pigmented, so I just put too much right there. Great. I'm also very lightly going to use that color to do my nose. They have these three super cute blushes and these little hearts. They are so cute. So there's My Type, Love Me Not, and Kiss and Tell. This one is a little too pink. So I think I was going to use Kiss and Tell, which is a really pretty pink color. Or I'm going to try this one, I think. Let's try it out. Yeah, this one is a really pretty color. It looks like more for like a natural look. So I'm going to try Oh yeah, this color's pretty. I think the pink one would be really pretty too with a neutral, with a more natural look. So then I'm going to take Laura Mercier's Honey Translucent. Crap. I'm going to mess up. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just putting it right there at the tip, and then I messed up right there, so fuck my life. They sent a highlighter, face and body highlighter, but we got a problem. Houston, we have a problem. It is broken all over the place. Ooh, looks pretty though. I'll still use it, but it's a mess right now. I'm just gonna put a little bit because it looks like it's super pigmented. I'll put some on my nose. It has that beachy scent too. It smells really good. For lips, I really don't know. They also have this set, Take Me With You kit. I think I'm going to use this spray. Fresh AF Mist. I think I'm going to set it with this mist. Okay, that doesn't smell so good. Oof. It's definitely not that beachy scent. It doesn't smell bad or have a strong scent, but and it kind of left some spots. Great. Yeah, I don't like that scent off camera because my battery's gonna die. The lipstick that I used is Huda Beauty's Trendsetter lipstick, which I love. Love, love, love this color. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box for all the links to everything that I used. And thank you guys for watching.